Hello everyone, welcome to today's session in Concept. If you want to buy the market when the market is making a bottom, and if you want to sell the market when the market is at its peak, so this video is for you. In this video, we will be talking about how you can catch the trend reversal when the market is at its bottom or at its top. But before starting the video, if you are new here, you can go in the description. There is a link below. With the help of that, you can download and install Concept web application. After successful registration, you will get some free tools in the application that will help you out in your trading. In the application, we have a separate video library. So in the video library, we have made multiple videos for you, and these videos are based on Pro Plus tools as well as on the various strategies. So in your meantime, you can go and watch these videos. Okay. Now these videos are also available in multiple languages. For example, English, Hindi, Gujarati, Marathi and Tamil. So you can choose your preference as well. Now at any point of time, if you guys are having any kinds of doubts or query, so you can contact us. Okay, so you have to go here in the support. You will get our contact number as well as email ID. So you can contact us and we will be there to sort your queries out. So in today's lesson, we will be talking about how you can catch the market bottom or peak, or you can say how to trade the reversal. Okay, now first of all, when we are talking about the reversal, so we will be talking about price percentile here. Okay, so we will be talking about price percentile. Okay, percentile. As well as we will be talking about the OI percentile. OI percentile. Now along with this percentile, we will be using volume. Okay, so we will be using volume analysis. We will be doing the volume analysis so that we can confirm our trend, right? If the market is actually giving us a reversal or it is a fake movement, right? So that will be confirming. We will be confirming it with the volume. Okay, now when we are talking about some percentile, so in many videos I have already covered like what is the percentile, but I'll give you a brief idea of what the percentile actually is. So if I'm talking about percentile, it tells me how many times the market, if I'm talking about the price, so it will tell me how many times in the past the price was actually below our current level. For example, right now my market is trading at rupees 100. Okay, so it will tell me in the past how many times my market was actually below rupees 100. Okay, so that is my percentile. So if I'll say the price percentile is 60 percentile, so it means in the past 60% of the times the market was below 100. It means currently my market is trading, you can say at a very good price, or it is, you can say expensive right now. Okay, now similarly, if I'll tell about the OI, open interest, okay, it means in the past how many times my OI percentile was less than my current value. So if currently the open interest is, suppose it is a 15 lakh, right? It is 15 lakh. Okay. And I'll tell you the OI percentile is 90 percentile. Okay, so it means in the past 90% of the times my OI percentile was less than 15 lakh. So currently if my market has OI percentage of 15 lakh, okay, OI open interest of 15 lakh, it means it is a very good value, right? Currently the many of the participants are interested in this particular index or stock as well, right? So what I want the OI percentile always greater than 90. Okay, why? Because that will show me like the participants are actually interested in the index or stocks in which we are trading. Okay, so if I'm going with the you can say if I'm catching my market bottom or if I'm catching the market top, so at that time, so this will be constant. Okay, I always want my OI percentile to be greater than 90%, right? Now there will be two more conditions. Okay, so these conditions will vary as per our market conditions. So first of all, when I'm going to catch the bottom of the market, or I'm having a sentiment that the market is currently in the bearish direction from a very long time, okay, and now it will make a support here and it will give me a trend reversal. Okay, so my trend will be getting reversed from this point of time. Okay, so I want to catch the market when the market is approximately here at this zone. Okay, so I want to catch the market when the market is actually here, so that I'll get a profit of this movement, right? So this is my trend reversal. I'll catch it from the bottom. Similarly, when I am going for the top, you can say when I am going for the top, so at that time what will happen, there will be a trend in the positive direction. Okay, and now the market will be getting rejected from this point of time and then it will go in the opposite direction, you can say. So what I will do, I want to catch the market when the market is changing its direction or there will be a reversal. Okay, so we will be catching the market for, at this point, okay, and at this point, right? Now there will be two conditions. when we are trading with it. So first of all, we will be talking about the bottom. Okay, so if I want to catch the bottom of the market and I want to make a trade in the bullish direction, okay, so what I want, the first thing is that I want my price percentile. I want my price percentile. Okay, it should be approximately, you can say approximately close to 10. Okay, the price percentile, it should be approximately close to 10, and it should be increasing gradually, like for example 10 to 11. Okay, from last few days it should be increasing from 10, from example 10 to 11 or 11 to 12 and then 13 and then 14 and likewise, right? So my price percentile, it should remain between 10 to 20, you can say. It should remain between 10 to 20 and it should be gradually increasing from 11 to 12, 13, 14, okay, likewise. Similarly, and as I said, the OI percentile will be constant. So for the OI percentile, what I want, OI percentile to remain 90 percentile, okay, approximately or above than that as well. Okay, similarly, if I want to catch the top of the market and I want to trade in the bearish direction, I want to sell the market. Okay, so what I want my price percentile. So it should be approximately between 90 to 80. Okay, 90 to 80 percentile, and at the same time it should be decreasing gradually as well. Okay, so for example from 90 to 89, okay, then 89 to 87, okay, then 87 to 82 and likewise. Okay, so it should be gradually decreasing from last few days, right? And then again the constant one that I want, so I want OI percentile. Okay, OI percentile to be greater than 90. Okay, so this is the constant in both of the cases, right? So this is how we will trade for the you can say for the bullish reversal and as well as for the bearish reversal as well. Okay, so I hope you got to know the concept. Okay, आपको concept clear है? Now we will be directly going to the concept application and let's see how we can use it in the practical application. Okay, so for that I'm opening concept application here, and directly when I'm going for the price percentile, so I have to go here in the analyze section and you can see the price OI percentile. So I will click here. Okay, now in the price OI percentile, if I want to catch the market, okay, so you can see from last few weeks, okay, the market was gradually decreasing, okay, and the market was in the bearish direction, and now slowly it is giving me a you can say it is giving me a recovery, right? So if I want to catch those trades which are currently at its bottom, so what I want the price percentile, it should be between 10 to 20, right? So what I will do here in this symbol wise, I will click it and I will arrange all of these stocks, okay, with respect to the price percentile, right? Now you can see, okay, the stocks which is having the lowest price percentile, that is showing in the top region, okay, and the stocks which is having the highest OI percentile, those are in the below region, you can say 99.44, 99.44, right? Likewise. Okay, so just a second, let me again go to the price percentile here. Okay, then let's sort it out again with the price percentile. Okay, now I want the price percentile to remain between 10 to 20. So I will look for those stocks. Okay, so you can see these are the stocks. It's starting from here as well. So Astral I have Hind Copper as well, AB Capital as well, Jindal Steel as well. Okay, so I have so many stocks which is having the OI percentile between 10 to 20. Now for the other condition, what I want OI percentile to be greater than 90. Okay, so let's see which are the stocks which is giving me both of these conditions. So here we can see in the AB Capital my price percentile was 13.33. At the same time in the OI percentile, okay, the OI percentile was greater than 91.11. okay, so that is good indication for me. Okay, what I want my price percentile to be between 10 to 20 for the trend reversal. Okay, at the same time OI percentile to be greater than 90. So both of my conditions are here. Now I will check it in the symbol wise percentile. So in this symbol wise percentile, I can also see from the 19th of November in this particular stock, that is AB Capital, the price percentile is gradually increasing. You can see from 7 to 10, then 10 to 12. Okay, so my conditions have been fulfilled here. Again we can see the OI percentile is also again increasing with it. So you can see from 86 to 91 on 25th November, right? So now let's just directly analyze this stock in the chart as well. So for that, AB Capital, I will go in the analyze section in this charts, trade and order. Okay, and I will just apply here AB Capital. Okay, so let me just apply AB Capital here, AB Capital. Okay, so AB Capital is here. So I will just change the time frame 1 day and let's just remove the remaining indicator from here. So you can see Currently my market in AB Capital, okay, it was in a downtrend from a very long time. So if I'll give you a exact date, so from 1st October 24 it was in the downtrend, right? And you can see currently it is taking a support, okay, it is taking a support at where, from where the market already took a support in the past. So it is taking a support there. Now it is making a movement in the upward direction, so we want to catch the market here, right? Now you can see there is actually a resistance, okay, so I will wait for the resistance breakout, and that breakout will give me a change of character here. So let me just show you what that resistance is. Okay, so you can see this is the resistance. My market took a rejection here as well. Okay, so now again my market is breaking that resistance, so that can be a crucial moment for me to take the entry. Okay, now we will confirm our trend, the upward trend, with the help of an indicator, and that indicator would be the volume. Okay, so I will just apply volume here. So here the volume is for you. Now there is a setting that we always do for the volume. So you just have to go in the settings, and then you have to enable the volume moving average, right? So you can see now a blue line, that is my moving average, has been plotted on my volume. So that will give me a trend verification, or you can say the trend confirmation, right? Okay, currently you can say when my market was falling, okay, at this point of time, so at that point of time the volume was not that much good. Okay, again when it gave me a good upward movement at this point of time, so there were two candles that gave me a good volume that was above my moving average, right? And currently my market was falling, okay, and that time the volume was good, right? So currently the market is not in my favor. I don't have to take trade right now, but what will be the perfect entry for me? You can see when the market will actually break this resistance. Okay, so I'm talking about this one, that is the resistance at 192, okay, not 196. So let me just remove the 196 resistance. Okay, just give me a second. So I will just remove it. Okay, so just let me remove it. Okay, now it's perfect. Okay, so let me remove 196 as well, and we will draw a perfect resistance again for us. So let me draw resistance. So you can see this was our resistance at this point of time, right? Now what I want, when my market will actually break this resistance, okay, so when it will break this resistance, at that point of time I will just wait for the confirmation. What I want, when the market will break this resistance, I want a good volume here, right? That will be crossing my moving average. Now I want my market to retest this level again, right? Why? Because then there will be new orders, or you can say there will be some pending orders, some limit orders that will be fulfilled, and then I will get a good upward movement in this particular stock, right? Now for that, when my market will retest this level, at that point of time, I have to make sure the volume is not good, right? Because you can see when the market will retest, it means there is a downward movement in the price, and when there is a downward movement in the price, I don't want volume to be greater than my moving average. Okay, so if that condition will be fulfilled, so at that time I will just initiate my trade when my market will again retest this support, that is at 193, you can say, right? So that will be a perfect entry for me, and that will give me a indication that my market is now giving me a trend reversal. So I will go and enter in this particular stock, right? So I hope the concept is clear. Let's take another example and let's see how we can trade with it. Okay, so again we will be following the same procedure. We will be going in the analyze section, in the price Y percentile, and now we will be taking another example. So we took AB Capital here, but before that let's sort it out with the price percentile. Okay, so we took the example of AB Capital. Astral is also one of the candidate, and let's see which are others. Okay, so you can say BHALE is also one of them, okay, because the price percentile is between 10 to 20. Okay, and let's see if it is increasing gradually or not. So in BHALE we can see, yes, it was increasing from, you can say, from 18 November 1 to 5, 5 to 7, 7 to 9, and currently it is 7, 17, and OI percentile is greater than 90. Okay, so it is a good stock for me that can give me a trend reversal. So let's take BHALE into the chart. So again we will follow same procedure, again going on the charts, applying daily time frame, removing the remaining indicators, and we will apply again volume, right? So we will apply again volume here. Okay, I'm showing you two examples so that your concept will be more clear. Okay, so it will be helpful for you. Okay, now you can see again in this particular stock, it was in the downward direction from a very long time, and currently it is giving me a good uptrend movement. Okay, and here you can see there was a perfect doji candle as well. Okay, so there was a perfect doji candle as well. Now whenever there will be a doji candle, so it means there is a tug of war between buyers and sellers, right? So what I want, if in you can say, if tomorrow if my market will break the high of this doji candle, so that can be an entry level for me. And at the same time, the one thing that we missed out, that is to apply the moving average in volume. Okay, so yeah. Okay, now what I want market to break the high of this doji, and that is my resistance. So currently my market is live. Okay, and if in today's market, if this the high of this doji will be broken out, so at that time what we will do, we will just wait for the market to retest this level again. Okay, so we will wait for the market to move above this line, and then it will give me a reversal. So on this reversal again, I want a low volume. Okay, volume not bigger than this moving average. So on this retest, if I'll get a volume that is not good, okay, or you can say lower than the moving average, so that will be an indication for me that the movement is not that strong in the downward direction, and on this retest I will take a movement, I will take a trade in the upward direction, right? So I hope the concept is clear how you can trade with it. Okay, so similarly you can do with the top reversal as well. In the top reversal, you just have to see the OI percentile greater than 90 and price percentile to be you can say between 80 to 90, and it should be decreasing gradually from 90 to 89, and then 89 to 87. Okay, likewise, and then you can again confirm it with the volume indicator, and then you can take a trade in your favor. Okay, and then the trade will be in your favor. Okay, so that is how you can do the trade whenever the market is making a bottom or making a top, right? So I hope the concept is clear. I hope you got to know something good today. Agar aapko maza aaya, you can just like this video, you can share your views in the comment section. Make sure to subscribe the channel if you are new, and share this video with your friends as well. Thank you so much guys. This is your trainer Ankit Singh Rawat. Have a good day.